Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map for the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the L40, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, select our device from the Dreame Home app, hit that go button near the bottom right hand side, towards the middle, a little bit below, like lower third. That'll take you into the main device settings right here, and you'll notice we do not have a map. There's just an image of a house layout. Right below that image, towards the center of the screen, there's a tan Start Fast Mapping button. That's going to be what you want to press to create your first and initial map. So select that, follow the quick mapping guide instructions, basically tie to your house and position it exactly where you want it. And now it will go through your house, mapping the environment. Expect it to take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how large your layout is. They're very fast and efficient. But go ahead, tidy up your house, let it do its mapping, then it'll come back to the station. Once it's back on the station and charging, then it will populate and finalize the map for you, and you can tweak or edit it as needed. But now, we wait as it explores. All right, mapping is completed for our environment. It took 6 minutes for what you see right here. So hopefully that's helpful in what you can anticipate in your experience. But again, once it's back on the station, it'll charge back up and say mapping completed. And our map is all set and ready to go right here. Now, at this stage, if you want to edit it, over on the right-hand middle of the screen, there's a map with an eyeball icon, and below that, there's a map with the pencil icon. Hit the map with the pencil icon, and this has all of your map editing options. And below all of those icons, there's even a multi-floor map management section that we can add additional maps depending on house type. So we could choose house type, multi-floor, select OK, and then down here at the bottom, now we could create another map if you wanted to map upstairs, downstairs, that sort of thing.